In soil-based farming, nutrients come from decomposition, mineralization, and fertilizer applications. Organic matter breaks down. Microbes convert into plant-available forms, and roots absorb what they need. It's a slow, buffered process. Nutrient availability depends on soil type, pH, moisture, temperature, and microbial activity. Hydroponics eliminates all of that variability. Instead of waiting for nutrients to become available, the grower dissolves them directly into water. The result is a nutrient solution that contains everything the plant needs, in exact ratios required, at concentrations the plant can immediately absorb. This is done using water-soluble fertilizers. These are not the same as the granular fertilizers used on lawns or in gardens. Hydroponic fertilizers are highly refined. They dissolve completely, leaving no residue. They're formulated to provide a balanced mix of macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are the elements plants need in large quantities. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are the big three. Nitrogen drives leafy growth. Phosphorus supports root development and flowering. Potassium regulates water use and strengthens cell walls. Then there are secondary macronutrients: calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Calcium builds cell walls. Magnesium is central to chlorophyll. Sulfur is part of certain amino acids and proteins. Micronutrients are needed in much smaller amounts, but they're just as essential. Iron, manganese, zinc, copper, boron, and molybdenum all play specific roles in enzyme function, photosynthesis, and nutrient metabolism. A deficiency in any of these can limit growth, even if everything else is perfect. In a well-designed hydroponic system, all of these nutrients are present in the solution at all times. The plant takes what it needs as it needs it. There's no competition from weeds. There's no leaching into groundwater. And there's no guesswork about whether the soil has enough phosphorus or whether last year's lime application raised the pH enough. But this precision comes with responsibility. If the nutrient solution is too concentrated, it can burn the roots or cause nutrient imbalances. If it's too dilute, the plant won't get enough to support growth. If the ratios are off, one nutrient can block the uptake of another. For example, too much potassium can interfere with calcium absorption, leading to problems like blossom end rot in tomatoes. Most commercial growers use pre-mixed hydroponic nutrients that are formulated for specific crops or growth stages. A vegetative stage formula will have more nitrogen to support leaf growth. A flowering stage formula will have more phosphorus and potassium to support fruit and flower development. Nutrient solutions are typically prepared in 2 or 3 separate stock tanks and then mixed into the main reservoir. This prevents certain nutrients from reacting with each other and precipitating out a solution. Calcium and sulfate, for example, will form gypsum if mixed in concentrated form. The beauty of this system is control. In soil, you apply fertilizer and hope it gets to the roots. In hydroponics, you deliver it directly, and because you're delivering it in water, uptake is faster, more efficient, and more predictable.